Hi friends, today in Virtual Studio with Set.a.Light 3D program, we will create 4 spectacular lighting schemes using RGB lights. I'll show you how color can add depth and emotion to your shots. Ready to experiment? Then let's get started. First scheme. Set up 3 reflectors with blue, green, and red colored gel. Adjust the reflectors. Set up the camera. Watch our setup. We have beautiful shadows. Our picture is ready. Second scheme. Set up 3 reflectors with blue, green, and red colored gel. Adjust the reflectors. Set up the camera. Watch our setup. Our picture is ready. Third scheme. Set up 3 gobo masks with blue, green, and red colored gel. Set up the camera. Adjust the gobo masks. Watch our setup. Our picture is ready. First scheme. Set up 3 reflectors with blue, green, and red colored gel on the right side of the model. Set up the camera. Adjust the reflectors. Install the reflector. Watch our setup. Our picture is ready. Thank you for being with me in this tutorial. Today we've broken down 4 lighting schemes with RGB lighting in the virtual studio with the Set.A.Light 3D program. Experiment with RGB lighting, add your ideas, and create unique, beautiful results. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and write in the comments which scheme you liked the most. See you in the next videos.